Most contractors think they're losing jobs because of pricing. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases they're losing jobs because their estimating process is too slow, inconsistent, or difficult for customers to understand. The right estimating software can help you create professional quotes faster and close more deals. In this video, you'll discover the best estimating software for contractors in 2026, which tools are best for different business sizes, and how to choose the right platform for your specific needs. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're looking for an all-in-one contractor management solution with strong estimating capabilities, ServiceTitan remains one of the top choices. It allows contractors to create detailed estimates, present options to customers, convert estimates into jobs, and track performance. For larger HVAC, plumbing, and electrical companies, this can streamline the entire sales process from first contact to final invoice. But here's the problem. Not every contractor needs enterprise-level software. This is where most people fail. They purchase software packed with advanced features they rarely use. As a result, they spend more money and create unnecessary complexity. For small and mid-sized contractors, Housecall Pro continues to be a strong option. It makes creating estimates simple and allows businesses to send professional proposals directly from a phone or tablet. If Jake owns a 5-person landscaping company, he can generate an estimate on site and send it to the customer before leaving the property. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best estimate isn't always the most detailed one. It's often the easiest one for customers to understand and approve. Another popular option is Jobber. Many service contractors like its clean interface and straightforward estimating workflow. It works especially well for businesses focused on recurring services and residential customers. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between these tools. First, identify the type of estimating you do most often. If you're building highly detailed construction bids with complex material costs, you may need specialized estimating software. But if you're a service contractor creating common job estimates daily, simplicity and speed often matter more. Take Alex as an example. He spends 30 minutes building every estimate manually. By switching to software with templates and automated pricing, he cuts that time in half. That's a small change that creates a huge productivity gain over a year. But here's another mistake contractors make. They only compare software pricing. They forget to measure how many additional jobs they can quote each week. Now, here's the key takeaway. ServiceTitan is often the strongest option for larger operations that need advanced business management. Housecall Pro offers an excellent balance of simplicity and functionality. Jobber remains a great choice for many service-based contractors looking for efficient estimating tools. The best estimating software is the one that helps you quote faster, look more professional, and win more work. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more contractor software reviews, and tell us in the comments which estimating platform you're considering for 2026.